I prefer to stand for road. They collect 50 naira from all these keke people. I know for day like this, food I never chop. I bring the thing. This one is now waiting. Come on, you can't waste my time. Silva. Where does that? No. Me, I don't get trouble. I walk now to chest on Naeta inside. If you not finish, more Naeta. Sir. That's what this boy is going to take kill us for this. Officer. Who be that one? Officer, what's up with that?
You rob me, you don't even say anything.
I did hear this boy, they rob you.
You know they here?
Wait till they do outside. Wait till they do outside.
But you know the officer, they are the person they rob me.
Wait, he point out for officer of the law. Me, wait, the officer.
I don't mean I'm a boss. Officer.
This thing, wait. You know here what the federal government talk?
I want to just go buy something.
You want buy something? And see person you want make I go fight, Abi? This is not conspiracy. Come on,
Officer,
come on, you are under arrest.
Officer,
this is not conspiracy.
Officer.
No, you want to set me up, officer of the law. You are under arrest. You go follow me go station today. If you just allow me rob you, come to meet me, officer of the law.
Officer, I beg.
If I slap you.